analysis how the company growth. Okay, our group choose three company to compare each company and want to know what company is more important in human resource. Okay, first company is Mitsubishi. Okay, Mitsubishi company founded by Yotaro Iwaki, and Mitsubishi developed by during the years 1980-16, and Mitsubishi opened a license 14 office outside the Japanese. Okay, in 2015, Mitsubishi was a top-ranked general trading company in the world. Okay, for the mission in company Mitsubishi is provide new experience for customer with creative product more and make positive constitution. For the vision is they want to create vibrant society by realizing to potential or mobility. Okay, second company is Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz company founder by Carl Benz. Mercedes-Benz first marketed in 1901. 1901, Mercedes was registered by Daimler Mortons. First name vehicle were produced in First name vehicle were produced in 1926. Mercedes-Benz introduced many technology and safety innovation that become common in other vehicles. Okay, Mercedes-Benz have a mission. Their every thoughts is a chance to grow. That's the Mercedes-Benz mission. For the vision is to become the world most center for customer service, renowned and automotive sector. Second is to meet a goal, are doing everything to create the best environment for skilled people from all over the world. Okay, for the last one is Toyota Company. Toyota Company Sakichi Toyota invented by Toyota model G automatic long. In 1929, the patent for automatic long was sold to British company. Okay, that's Plaid Brother. Toyota Company established as the independent company in 1973. 1937. Okay, in 1947, Toyota sold small vehicle under name Toyopet. Okay, and Toyota received first Japanese Quality Control Award start from 1918. In 1990, Toyota began to branch out from producing mostly compact car by adding many large and luxury car. Okay, for the mission, Toyota mission is to attract and attend customer with high velvet product and service. And for the vision is to be a most successfully and respected car company in America. That's all for my introduction and what I explained. I hope you understand. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Renadia Bente Morfia. My metric number is A18A0673. Today, I want to present to all of you about Part B. It's a key of HR function analysis for company Toyota, Mitsubishi, and Mercedes. As we know, all big companies need to compete to achieve success as outlined in the company objective, vision, mission, goal like my friends present in part A before. For the first element is HR planning. It's about process of determining employment requirement. After the review, we choose Mitsubishi company because the company maintaining the two-work culture for growth together. For example, improving training program with the goal of increased employees capacity. Second, about recruitment and selection. It is a process of attracting and identify the best employee. Upon investigation, we choose also Mitsubishi company because the good company select employees good communication skill, good math skill, and a consistent academic recorded. And the third about performance management. The process of effective communication between supervisor and employee. After the survey, we choose Mercedes company is the higher rank. It is because Mercedes also had a term within season where they training the worker regaining of rent. Mercedes director believe that good communication and trust between employees is an important factor in job, in success in company. That's all from me. The next element will be discussed by my friends. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. And my name is Nurul Syahinda binti Zainal Abidin. And my matric number is A18A0753. Okay, today I want to talk about part B and the three part, which is reward and compensation, and training and development, and human relation maintaining effective working relationship. Okay, first reward, about reward and compensation. Reward and compensation about the higher the Toyota and Mercedes get high, which is Toyota guarantee lifetime of employment, and while Mercedes give flexible to spending their account. Okay, Mitsubishi is the low, which is they developing corporate culture, and industry analysis for reward and compensation is highly work harder. Next, training and development. Training and development that was highest is Mercedes. Mercedes must and their employment must get 3-year train and 4-year employment, and they also must get training program, which is technical skill and diagnostic skill, that was will advance Mercedes, while the other two is standard. Toyota will give leader coaching and mentoring with continuous process on the job, and Mitsubishi equip necessity knowledge, and the other proactive learning self-improvement. Okay, industry analysis for this training and development is highly knowledge of employment, and they must maintain skill. And the last one is human relation maintain effective working relationship, and the highest is Toyota. Toyota must safe and secure place have the safe and secure place, and they also do the teamwork. And the other two is the lowest. Okay, Mitsubishi show loyalty where employees are guaranteed career of as lifetime, and Mercedes is working an environment of open community at the and rotating employer, and industry analysis for this must have.
Okay, firstly is about Toyota companies. Technology expertise based on history of relevant R&D, because of this their technology investment which is innovative in technology. High abilities and organization resources they have. Then this will help the company have a high production of good and high manufacturing capacity, because they just important to improve their R&D average product they produce. Second, about access to support from diverse business via the Toyota Group. This strategy is very important in this company to have their identify the cost they need to produce their product. That Toyota way the capacity to compete based on the price and cost and product company. Lastly is about highly priced automotive company. This Toyota have a more brand they have a highly brands because this help company to gain a positive outlook and gain a good reputation from the buyers. That about Mitsubishi Company. Mitsubishi Company have a competitive advantage as strategic partnership alliance. The company has success in ancient partnership and alliance by selling many of their products. Because of this, Mitsubishi company more grow the automobile market more and more every year. Then, lastly is about last competitive advantage in the stronghold in the parent nation. Mitsubishi Company having a stronghold of home location help to improve their company ability to compete and increase Mitsubishi's company to compete at higher level because their brand product more higher than other company automobile. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zahira Ibrahim Timujid. My matric number A18A0961. For Mercedes-Benz, in order to create a satisfied customer, marketing research will be required to obtain the data necessary for decision making, in particular information on customer behavior. Mercedes-Benz has always focused on statistical prediction about the sector it operates in. Mercedes uses modern information and communication technologies to guide the process of monitoring and recording the transactions and characteristics of the customer and using the information while making decisions. Market share partners, MSP research reliance on Mercedes in decision making is an important signal of customer database strategic importance. Mercedes has been able to identify that new one through the research. Other than that, Mercedes-Benz has successfully incorporated ICT technology in all aspects of its business transaction and has worked with Google and the Media Mix Modeling Agency to develop an effective strategic e-business model. The website of company Mercedes-Benz is very professionally designed site with current vehicle listing and details, including multiple photos and video, relevant through content and multiple contact points such as contact for payment requests and live chat are always strategically positioned to maximize conversion and gain competitive advantage. Over the year, the Mercedes-Benz brand has become powerful as it identifies itself with the creation of a motor vehicle and the production of high-quality luxury cars. The luxury status of Mercedes-Benz is a key element of its competitive advantage over Toyota and Honda, and many other companies that are struggling in this sector. Also, Mercedes-Benz has won a number of industry awards for safety and technological innovation. They reinforce their desire to continue producing the most technological advanced cars on the market in order to distinguish themselves from rivals and to improve the reputation of their brand. In conclusion, based on the key human resources function analysis for company Toyota, Mitsubishi, and Mercedes, Mercedes have a higher ranking rather than two companies. It is because Mercedes have a strong competitive advantage such as use of information in marketing strategy, incorporation of e-business, and global contact in market planning. Thank you.